So I figured that summer vacations are over and the schools have reopened. So if you are a student at school or if you have already passed school, then let's take a trip down memory lane. Hello everyone, this is Calliope and today we are going to talk about types of people you meet at school. Number one, the bully. I feel that this person hates himself, so he wants to bully others to actually make himself feel good. What other reason could it be? Like, people want to bully someone else. It might also be like, maybe he has really aggressive parents or I don't know, some issues at home. That is why he comes to school and thinks that it's okay to just bully others. This is a serious issue, guys. So if you are actually facing any kind of bullying, please go ahead and tell your parents or teachers or any elders. So there are like different kinds of bullying. Like one is verbal, then physical, psychological, and these days there is also cyberbullying, which is very much rampant. Number two is teacher's pet. I used to be kind of a teacher's pet, maybe till around the 7th grade. Like I really loved doing all the things for my teachers and just being like one of the favorite. Teacher's pet is the kid who actually does all the work for the teacher, like getting a glass of water, uh, going and keeping the test papers in her locker, or this kid is also usually the monitor, when she's not around to actually monitor the class. Then this kid also will help in anything, whatever the teacher wants, like distributing the test papers, collecting the exam papers, or just helping around in everything, whatever the teacher tells. This kid loves to be the teacher's pet. Like he loves all the attention, and he is usually the kid who is like the good kid example. Like he's usually good at studies. He'll be like really quiet and attentive at the class. He will be the kid who will be like miss for every answer. Yeah, like he wants to give all the answers. This kid is usually the Harish Chandra ki chhati aulad. uh, all the other kids are like usually annoyed with this kid. Number three, the sports kid. Have you ever noticed like these kids who actually play sports, at whatever, participating in all the sports events at national level, state level, they kind of look mature to me. Like they are these really rowdy group of students who are like um, they look like they are like, I don't know, they just know everything. They have done it all. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like these kids really had a foul mouth and they just looked really terrible to me. Now the fact is that I did not enjoy actually sports in school, so physical training period was like just to talk, do nothing. I did not like to do any of those stuff, whatever they told us to do. Now, most of these sports kids were usually out of the class most of the year. So I'm sure they were learning much more than what they shouldn't be learning. I'm just saying. So, and I'm sure like these kids were like, they flunked at least a year or two. Because come on, you get those extra bonus points for participating in sports events. That is not going to make up for what is actually required to pass, the pass percentage. So, so it's bound to be like, they will look mature because they are mature, they are older to you. Number four are the gossip squad. Yes, at every school there will be like these bunch of girls usually who really love to gossip, who will be judging others, usually girls. And God forbid if you tell them, I have a crush on this guy, then please be very careful, like, to whom you actually tell all these things, because in no time the whole class would actually know that you have a crush on this guy, and they'll be teasing you about it, and even the guy would be like feeling awkward. Trust me, true story. Number 5 is the Joker. This guy is the class clown. He will be the one who would be passing comments while the teacher is teaching. The minute the teacher turns around to write something on the blackboard, he would be the one who would be like throwing chalks at other students or at the teacher herself. The moment the teacher goes out of the class, he would be like dancing around or writing something inappropriate on the blackboard. Some of the other kids at school are the fashionista, the obviously the nerd, the handsome guy. Sorry, we did not have any handsome guys in my school. Honestly, I did not like anyone. Like, seriously. And my school was like one of the really good school in my area. Then there'll be like that awkward kid, who would be like really shy and lost in his own world. There'll be kid who doesn't have too much of self-confidence. There'll be kid who is like a know-it-all. He brags about things. Then, yeah, there'll be someone who's like really mean to others. So you'll meet all kinds of people at school. To be honest, I do not have a lot of school friends. Somehow I always felt kind of out of place there. All the ones who were there, they are not in touch with me. I have very few school friends whom I can say like they were like sane like me, and they were like really sweet to me. Otherwise, I somehow never, enjoyed school in that sense, like getting to know people and making friends. Somehow I always felt like I do not belong here, or the people don't understand me, I was way mature than kids my age, because there were a lot of kids who were like, influenced by what their parents think. They did not have their own thinking as such. So, yeah, I was alone during the last year of my school because of whatever. I told the whole group that they were mean and they had this thinking and blah blah blah. So I was alone. It's okay. It was better to be alone than be with people who do not respect you or who kind of don't have a really liberal thinking. So that's what happened. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you like the video. Of course, everyone's experience at schools will be maybe kind of different, because like I live in India, we might have different experiences than someone who's living in America, Canada, or whichever country. So if you want to tell me about your experiences, please comment below and let me know what kind of kids you actually met in school. Apart from that, please subscribe. If you're liking my content, please do subscribe. And until next time, it's bye-bye from me. Take care.